Welcome to our Sonnet Unity monthly prayer service for July 2023. I invite you to take a few moments to get quiet and still, allowing your breath in and out to become steady and calm, breathing in God's peace and breathing out into that peace, as we invite the body, mind, and heart to a deeper experience of stillness. Prayer is a way of recognizing and accepting our oneness with God, by which we are able to transform thoughts and rise above circumstances. We reach within to the light of divine life, love, wisdom, and understanding that we need in order to harmonize any discords and heal any concerns. As we begin our quiet time together, we focus into peace and affirm, established in the center of my being, I am still and peaceful. With every breath, I drop deeper into the center of my being. I settle into the silent yet perceptible presence of God, my source. Waves of peace flow through my body and mind. I become still. In the silence of prayer, I am peaceful. God is the wisdom that flows as intelligence throughout every cell in my body and every thought in my mind. Centered in divine wisdom, I breathe out thoughts such as I can't or I don't know. I realize I am capable of knowing all I need to know for the moments ahead. I am inspired to think and act in ways that support well-being, flowing from prayer. I tell the truth of divine life to my body and my circumstances. Moving my focus now to the light of life within, I become aware of healing energy streaming throughout my body. I remind myself that divine life is irrepressible, eternal, and ever renewing. I say to my body and my circumstances, you are full of life. Focused in faith, I perceive the truth of divine abundance by which I prosper. God is my source of divine ideas, a continuous flow of possibilities. I perceive possibilities through my faculty of faith. I can see through challenging conditions to the truth of divine abundance, and I lift my thoughts to the heights of abundance, where all things are possible. In the light of spiritual understanding, I behold divinity within all beings. Illuminated by the light of spiritual realization, I radiate peace to bless every being in this world. I focus upon the truth that unites us all, the divine origin and essence we share. I say to all beings, I see God in you. As our prayer time now draws to a close, we give thanks for our unity of spirit and oneness with God, knowing our increasing capacity to embody divine wisdom, life, faith, and understanding. We return to our activities uplifted and re-energized. We conclude by reciting the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Bless you.